and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and good morning. It is morning time here. It's freaking 7 a.m. I've been up for the last 40 minutes because I couldn't go back to sleep. Everybody was tagging me about what was coming in the premium box, and even though there's an unboxing out there, I'm still gonna freaking talk about it because I'm so excited. I wasn't gonna talk about it. I was like, okay, there's an unboxing out there, but I was right, you guys. Like, I'm so excited. You have no idea. And you guys know that I'm like really excited, which is insane. So that's what makes it even more like perfect that you guys are like, oh my god, you're gonna be so excited. You're gonna be so happy. This is what you wanted, blah blah blah. You guys are freaking great. But to kind of like hide what's going on, I'm gonna be putting on this face mask from Sand and Sky. It's the Australian Emu Apple. This is the Super Bounce mask. They actually sent me this and a couple of other products. I have like a quick haul on my Instagram if you want to check it out. But I've been using them for about, what, a week and a half now. And I do have to say that I really do enjoy their products. So, I'm not just saying that because they sent it to me. They're actually really good. But anyways, I'm gonna put this mask on and we're gonna start throwing up some spoilers. And look at this one. See, it's a bounce mask. It's like mayonnaise. It's kind of gross. No, anyways, and it smells good. So let's talk about the very first spoiler that we know that's coming in the premium box. Okay, so there's gonna be an exclusive beanie coming in the box. Isn't that exciting? So it has like these candy hearts on them, or on it, which is kind of cool because it's going with like the theme, and it's red, which obviously you can see I have a screenshot here, duh Connor, but yeah, it's red, it's cute. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna wear it. I get headaches really often, so if I have like a beanie on my face, or on my head, if it's like really tight, it'll give me a headache. But just know that there's gonna be a beanie in the giveaway because I have 2 premium boxes. Sorry, I'm looking at myself while I'm doing this. I have 2 premium boxes coming and 2 deluxe boxes coming, so just know that there's going to be a beanie in the giveaway. Yes, so go ahead and subscribe. And then there's a pink pop socket coming in the box, which is also very exciting. Somebody actually said that they were getting one and was gonna send it to me, and I was like, you don't have to, but that's so sweet. But now they don't really have to because I'm gonna have one. So I'm so excited because like usually I'm like, oh, pop sockets, whatever, but I need another one. I actually stopped like being able to survive without one on my phone because it was like way easier to use that way. So I can't wait, and plus it's like pink and it's so pretty, so I'm very excited. And I will have 2 of them. I'm not sure if I'm gonna throw the other one in the giveaway just because I'm selfish. I like the pop sockets. I know a lot of people don't, so I probably will keep the pop sockets for myself. And then the next thing coming in the box is the, oh, what was it? I don't want to edit this video. I literally just want to upload the video. It was a, oh, it was an exclusive lip gloss. There is an exclusive lip gloss coming in the box. I think it was in the shade Succulent, I want to say. Maybe I'm wrong. And it was like a really pretty glittery pink gloss. I'm excited. I still want that freaking purple gloss that's coming in the Supreme. Like, I am willing to pay you to get that gloss. I promise. So, if you're selling a gloss, just hit me up. I'll buy it from you. I'll give you $25 for the gloss. Anyways, and then the last item coming in the box, which is going to be going in the giveaway, which I can now say I told you so, and I'm so excited, is the freaking Alien palette. Oh, you guys, the freaking discontinued Alien palette is coming in the mother effing box. I'm extremely extremely excited because you guys know I've wanted that palette and I was gonna freaking buy it, and then I just did it because I was like, oh well, I can buy it later, and then it was discontinued. I'm like, why didn't I just freaking buy it when I did? I forgot. I like literally bought something else instead. I can't remember what it was, and it's killing me because it was not as important as the alien palette. But now I have my opportunity to actually get the alien palette, so I'm so excited. And I know so many of you are excited too because you were wanting the alien palette, and like going online trying to get it from like someone who already had it, even a used palette on Poshmark or Depot or whatever, people were wanting like $100, $200 up, and that's just ridiculous. So I'm so excited that's coming in the box, and I'm gonna be able to give one away because I got 2. When Jeffree tweeted that tweet that we were gonna gag, I kind of was like thinking Extreme Frost gag me, but I'm gagging about the freaking alien palette. Like that just made me so happy. Like, you guys have no idea. I'm sorry that my energy just like went really low. Like now I'm like, I haven't had coffee yet, so I'm like feeling like the tiredness of like needing coffee. But anyways, yeah, I'm so excited. You guys get so hyped for the giveaway because there's going to be so many amazing items. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do this because I don't want anybody to feel bad or be left out if I like say, okay, somebody's going to win the alien palette, somebody's going to win the mini breaker palette because I'm going to have 2 mini breakers to give away, or somebody's going to win this highlighting palette, or you know what I'm saying, because like I don't know if I want to break it up into like 3 parts, 3 different giveaways. I do know that I might possibly do an Instagram giveaway only for like my Instagram lovies, because there's a lot of you guys over there who always support me, and we're always talking on Messenger, and you guys are always making sure that I'm like doing okay, which makes me really happy. So I think I might do like an exclusive only Instagram giveaway. I'm not sure yet, but just be prepared. I'm so freaking excited. Like, I just love having giveaways, which I sometimes like take too long to like send the giveaways out, like because you know going to the post office actually gives me anxiety because those ladies are like scary. But anyways, yeah, so get pumped. Also, I do want to say that today, well maybe not today, but at some point we're doing the review on the Blendiful and the Tati Volume 1 palette. I got it yesterday and I did a little mini unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the palette because it's like, you guys aren't gonna see it on camera like how pretty it is in person, but it's like so pretty in person. So I'm gonna be doing a review on the palette, and especially this because like there's so many mixed reviews online, so I just want my own like opinion on it. Like, I don't know, I feel like it's gonna be good. Like, I do. Like, I genuinely think that I'm gonna like this because, you know, foundation especially is like the most important part of your makeup. Like, if you don't have good foundation, it doesn't lay down good, then just screw the rest of your makeup, you know what I mean? So I've always spent a lot of time literally just on my foundation. So I have a feeling that I'm going to like this. This is going to be something that I'm going to like and it's going to be useful to me. But I'm going to do like a everyday side and the Blendiful side. So, and I'm going to be like very up close and personal with you guys. Did you see my chapped lips? That's how up close and personal we're going to get. So stay tuned for that. I was going to do it today, but well, I want to clean it the correct way and do everything the correct way, and so it's going to have to dry. So, yeah, but we'll film that process too whenever we do that. And I do want to say also that my premium and deluxe, my first order, is going to be coming tomorrow. So we'll be having unboxings and really start seeing what's going to be going in the giveaway. My other premium box and my other deluxe box has not shipped yet. Once I actually get my other 2 boxes, the giveaway will begin. I will let you know because I want to know what I have so I know what I'm giving away so I can figure out what I'm gonna do. So that's what is up with that. But I wish I kind of had coffee that I can sit here and like talk to you guys, because this I don't think is going to be a traditional video. I think this is going to be as if maybe this was a live. I should go live again. I haven't gone live in a long time, but I feel like this is just a sit down, no cuts, no edit, like talk to you guys video because, you know, I like that. I haven't gone live in a long time and I really should because I like just sitting here and talk to you guys. And one time I was on live for like 3 hours and like 20 of you stayed on with me like the whole time. You guys were so freaking cool. But I don't know, I feel like I haven't been too personal lately, but then again, like I've been sick. I was sick for a long time and then I got my tooth pulled and then I was like dying and I was sick again. I don't know. I don't know. We need to go live again soon. Let me know if you guys want me to go live again, or if you've even made it this far into the video. But I do plan on also making like another video talking about everything that happened during the Jeffree Star Valentine's launch. But then again, I don't know. I just kind of feel like discussing some things, but I know it's like a sensitive topic since, you know, with Jeffree Star, there's lots of hate and there's lots of love, but there's especially lots of hate. So, I don't know. I feel like, I don't know. I don't feel like not saying it, you know what I mean? Like, we're all thinking it. Just a lot of us are too scared to say it. But yeah, so I guess that's it. Like, I don't have anything else to say. This mask is probably gonna have to be washed off in a few minutes. Very excited about that. And then also get pumped. I have a whole entire PR box situation happening very soon. I already have my PR box and I'm gonna be doing a little trying out this brand. And if you guys were wondering, it's Winky Lux. So they reached out to me. I was so excited. But anyways, I'm kind of done rambling on this video. I kind of want coffee now. So I'm just gonna like upload this video. You probably won't even see any like transitions. It's just gonna be a straight on video. So anyways, I guess that is it. And I will see you guys in my next video, which I don't really think I'm going to film today. I think I'm going to take a break, and tomorrow we will be back with you with an unboxing, and then I'll probably film like this review. I don't know, we'll see. I feel like really tired. I keep pumping out videos. I need like a day off, but oh, especially because yeah, anyways, I guess I'm gonna let you go now because I really need to wash this off. And yeah, so thank you guys for sitting here and watching this like good morning chit chat. Let's talk about it. Non-traditional like spoiler video, like normal. I just didn't feel like sitting there talking about only Jeffree Star cosmetics the whole time. But anyways, thank you guys for joining, and I'll see you guys in my next video tomorrow when I'm unboxing some boxes. So get ready.